Morning, hi, it's Andrew, the English recruiter, and today we're actually going to go through a walkthrough with LinkedIn. Obviously, it may not be morning where you are when you're watching this video, but I hope you're having a good day anyway. So first things first, when you first log on to LinkedIn, this is the screen you'll see. So we just look at our own profile. Mine has been deliberately sort of set up to be a little bit incomplete and complete, busy and not so busy. And what we'll look at first here is what I call the public profile, because this is the URL for your own name, and many people will actually have this as, for example, Andrew-Travers ... and then a series of 8 to 10 characters or alphanumeric code. I left it simple for Andrew Travers. Most other people do that, and a few others, for example, like Dana Frankel, has actually used HR Manager. So if anybody goes looking for an HR Manager on LinkedIn, she's already embedded herself as the profile that will actually come out in the search results, which can be a bit clever. Remember, LinkedIn's been around since 2004, and therefore there's a lot of people doing a lot of different things with it, and so that's how they get known throughout the sort of system, also for backlinks and everything else like that. So that's one option you can do. Others will actually put their name, then hyphen it, and then just literally leave it as sales or something, so that if you are seen on a public Google search or Bing or Baidu or whatever it is, then it's already automatic that people are seeing you for what it is that you do, unless of course you do a career change. So the important thing for that is that the URL has 29 character spaces. So if you're known by a nickname as well as your full name, then as long as it's decent and public and something your grandmother's happy to call you by, then obviously you can add that to it as well. Alright, so to change it, all you need to do is go here, click, and then you write it. They're saying here it's up to 100 letters or numbers. The reality is most people are using 29 because you've got to be viewable with the other part of the URL, which literally is this. Okay, and that concludes the first part. See you on the next one. Thank you very much. Take care.